Breaking. Big banks just got the green light to rob you blind, and no one is stopping them. Your money, your home, it's all at risk. This isn't a drill. Watch till the end or you'll miss how to protect yourself. While we've been busy living our lives, the government quietly froze the CFPB, the agency that protected us from financial predators. What does that mean? Big banks can raise your fees anytime they want. Predatory lenders can trap you in debt. Fraud claims? Denied. No one's watching anymore. And this isn't just bad news, it's the perfect setup for the next financial collapse. Let's break it down. Who wins? Big banks, credit card companies, predatory lenders, and who loses? You. Small businesses. Families trying to make ends meet. Without the CFPB, predatory lenders can charge sky-high interest rates with no consequences. 2, banks can jack up fees and reject fraud claims like it's nothing. 3, financial scams will rise, and guess what? No one's there to protect you. It's like letting the fox guard the henhouse. But it gets worse. This isn't just incompetence, it's an engineered collapse. Think about it. In 2008, Wall Street crashed the economy. Banks got bailed out, you lost your home. During COVID, billionaires doubled their wealth. Small businesses got destroyed. History's repeating itself. This isn't about a free market, it's about rigging the game so the rich get richer and we're left holding the bag. But here's the truth, they don't want you to know. You don't have to be a victim. There's still time to fight back. Here's what you can do right now to protect yourself. First, move your money out of big banks. Switch to credit unions or fintech companies that actually care about you. Second, lower your debt. The system is designed to keep you trapped. Break free before they tighten the noose. Third, stay informed. Knowledge is power, and sharing this video could literally save someone's financial future. But if you're wondering how to go beyond survival, how to actually thrive in this mess, keep watching. Here's the hard truth, we can't rely on Congress to save us, but you know what we can rely on? Each other. That's why I've created a resource to help you take control of your financial future. Whether you need help securing funding, building credit, or navigating this chaotic economy, insert funding link, is your lifeline. Why am I doing this? Because I'm tired of watching people get crushed while the rich walk away richer. We deserve better. So if you're ready to stop being a pawn in their game, click the link and take back control. I know what it feels like to be on the losing side of this system, the anxiety of wondering if your money's safe, the frustration of being denied for things you worked hard for, the feeling that no one's looking out for you. That's why this isn't just a video, it's a wake-up call. If you've ever felt powerless against the system, this is your chance to flip the script. Even if Congress doesn't step in, you can still, 1, diversify your income. Don't rely on just one paycheck, create multiple streams. 2, invest in yourself. Financial literacy is the ultimate weapon against corruption. 3, prepare for economic shocks. Build an emergency fund, protect your assets, and stay ahead of the curve. And most importantly, don't stay silent. Share this video. Be the reason someone avoids financial disaster. This is bigger than me, it's bigger than you. We're in this together. Click the link below to secure your financial future. Share this video, someone you know needs to hear this. Comment below. Do you think we can stop this collapse, or are we watching history repeat itself? Your voice matters, your money matters, let's fight back, together.